Alright guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions of the Galaxy Watch 3. So I would like to take note that I have had the Galaxy Watch Active. My wife has the Active 2, and I previously have had an Apple Watch Series 3. I will do a deeper comparison in the review that I do once I have gotten this thing on and tried it out for a week or two and get back to you on. Alright, so let's dive right into the box. Okay, so we have this little piece of tape right here, and there it is. I went with the 42 or 45 millimeter. Yeah, 45 millimeter. This is gonna be the first big screen watch that I've had, and I really wanted to go with this one because I wanted to have the best battery life possible, and also that black watch is just awesome in my opinion. Alright, let's see what else we have in the box. So it looks like Samsung didn't really add too much. So we got the little magnetic charging puck that comes with all of their smartwatches, and I believe aside from maybe, oh, it looks like there's not even any kind of manual or anything like that. I do believe for this price point they should at least add maybe another kind of strap or a silicone strap. It is nice that they went for the leather strap on this model, but for me personally, I'm going to take advantage of all the new sensors and step tracking technology that they put in this. So I have a silicone workout strap that is on its way, but sadly it won't be here for a few more days. So I am going to work out with this leather strap, but something about getting just the natural greases from your skin onto leather, it just never really works well. So, ooh, I don't know if you could hear that, but that rotating bezel feels really nice. Yeah, none of my watches had that rotating bezel, so I was really excited to try it out on this. Here you have the back button, and here is the home and power button. So let's go ahead and power this on. Okay, so now we are powered on. Let's swipe up. So here, first things first, it says to get onto the Galaxy Wear app and start connecting your device. So I have the Note 10 Plus, so I'm gonna go ahead and dive in that app and then come back to you guys in a second. Actually, I put the watch right next to the phone. I was getting ready to pair the two, and I got this prompt. A new device has been detected. So I'm gonna go ahead and push add now. And it's gonna start getting me set up with this watch. So that is very neat. Here I have a tap to connect option and connect on here. So I'm gonna tap to connect here. Setting up your phone. Check your phone to complete setup. So I really do like and appreciate the Apple-esque kind of easy configuration between devices. I think Samsung has really come a long way as far as the ecosystem that they have. I also have the Galaxy Buds, just the original ones. My wife has Buds Plus, and I'm really excited to see how it works with this watch as far as like offline Spotifying goes, because I really do want to take this thing out for a run and see how it plays music with the GPS going. I really want to see if this watch's CPU can handle that. While my phone is finishing pairing, I do really want to talk about the build quality, and this watch feels really fancy. The leather band makes this feel like a watch that you can take to like a really formal kind of event. However, just the body itself looks very versatile, and like pretty much any band that you put on this will reflect how this watch is going to look on you. Like if I put a silicone workout band on this, I feel like it would look like a really nice workout watch. So here I have congrats on your new Galaxy Watch 3. I go ahead and agree. So I'm going to go ahead and click on all of these options, select all, next. I am actually going to skip a backup and go from the very beginning. Alright, I'm all set. I'm going to dive into the app in my review. Right now I just want to get a little bit further into the watch and see what the startup process is going to look like. So it says take a look around, turn the bezel clockwise for widgets. Oh yeah, that clickiness is really responsive. I like how that feels. It says turn it the other way to go back to the watch face. Turn it again for notifications. Press the back key to go back. Press the home key to find your apps. Almost done. The quick panel. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Alright. So that was just a really quick first look at this watch. I am really in love with this, especially the rotating bezel. It honestly makes it feel like your screen is a lot bigger, because on the active versions that bezel is literally just like a black bezel that has no kind of functionality. So I'm really happy with how this looks and turns out. If you guys have any kind of questions that you want me to look into with this watch, or anything that you'd like me to bring up in my review video, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure that I respond to it. I may even drop your name out in the next video. Just let me know what you guys want to see. I am also going to dive into fitness into this quite a bit, because I love using fitness tracking smartwatches. I'm really excited to see how well this actually tracks my workouts, my blood pressure, my oxygen levels. I know that some features aren't released yet, like the ECG, I believe is what it's called. So I'm going to see what it does have available and see how well it works. Sleep tracking as well, I'm really excited for that. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or just want to leave a like or subscribe, please go ahead and do that. And I look forward to making more videos for you guys. Later.